The pandemic, the world, and our lives have never been the same. Inevitably, everything's been shifted online. That's where we come in. When we talk tech, no one gets in our way. Feasibility using digitality is our specialty. That's why we centered a solution for the greatest extracurricular blockade in Pakistan. With intense protocol checkups and months of work, days and nights worth of server setups, countless hours dedicating to designing the program, we have officially and completely digitized MUNs for LGS. Log in or register into the application to avail the app. With high-end encryption and security authentication, any data you enter is safe with us. Enter your student portal, where you can change your password, log out, or enter your hub, where all the magic goes down. Your student hub will contain your committees that you can join and will only refresh when you have been added to a committee. And now the app itself. Complete your speeches in time without any complications of Zoom or minor internet issues with our live timer for the entire committee. The dashboard. Be greeted by 5 information and use-packed tabs. Know exactly what topic your committee has chosen, what current speaking mode is going on, and also the current moderated caucus. Be guided by day-led committee notifications. Be able to see exactly at what position your country is and when you will speak for both the GSL and the moderated caucus country list. Understanding and respecting speeches is a key role of a delegate. Therefore, now, raising a point is also digitized, which will be sent over to the notification panel for the dais to see. With the Mods tab, know exactly what moderated caucuses and raised motions are on the table and have not been voted upon. Be able to see all the countries present and also be able to raise your placard in the committee for the dais to see. And one of our greatest intuitions, a chatting service inbuilt. Message any delegate or dais present to replicate chit passing in a digitized manner. With optimized server loads and extreme artistic design detail, while hundreds of redos and checkups, we ensure this will not only be your best online experience from an MUN, but also has the most minimized errors. When it comes to tech, we are always ahead. Engineered and designed by Safiy, Malik and Abdullah Zubair. Narrated by Zarrish Ahmed. Edited by Abdullah Zubair.